Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert a picture into a shape in Word. The first thing you will do is open your Word file. Select the image, go to the Picture Format menu, and here click on Crop. Adjust the image to the desired size. When it is done, right-click on the image and select the Cut option. Afterwards, you are going to go to the Insert menu. Click on Shapes and there select the diamond shape. Adjust the desired size of the shape in the document. When you do, right-click on the shape and select Format Shape. Here in the side panel, click Fill. Check the box, Picture or Texture Fill. Finally, click on the Clipboard button. This will paste your image into the Word form. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.